Math Module 15. Multiply decimals and whole numbers. Which snail wins the race? Suppose each snail finishes the race by moving the distance shown in 1 hour. Which snails will complete the remainder of the race in 7 hours or less? So we kind of maybe estimate, right? A little bit to kind of help us. So which ones will finish in 7 hours or less? What do you guys think? So 6/10 of a meter in 1 hour is how far this one can go. 4/10 of a meter in 1 hour. Okay, and then 5/10 of a meter in 1 hour. So 5/10 is what? Half. So, right? And they still need to go to 3 and 5/10, right? So they still need to go. So 3 1/2. And then this would be half. So how many times would that take? Times 7, right? Yeah. So would they make it? Yep, because it's the 7 hours or less. Okay. How much is this?
3/10.
Well, you could take 10 times 2, which is 20, plus 3. So 23/10 divided by the 4. So what would that give us?
5 and 3.
Okay, so would they be able to?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here, what is this? 45/10 divided by 6. Well, that'd be 7 and 3 left over, right? So would that work? No, because it's over 7. Okay, here, 10 times 1 is 10 plus 7, so 27, 10, and then divide it by 2, which is what? Like 12. Not even 12, right? 13, and some left over, so would they make it? No. Okay, so C and D, right? Okay. Which snail will be the winner? Which one would have been quicker? We know A and D weren't even a choice, so it's between C and B, right? And this one, which one was it? B or C would have been quicker? C. Sorry. Yeah. So snail C. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. Count equal groups. Count equal groups, divide the total. So how many groups do we have? 4 groups of 3. So we have a total of 12 objects. Okay, how many groups? 3 groups of 5. So how many objects? 15. Find the product. 7 times 8 is 6. Carry the 5. 8 times 6 is plus 5 is. Okay, 7 times 3 is. Carry the 2. 7 times 4 is. Plus 2 is 1. 3 times 4 is. Carry the 1. 3 times 5 is. Plus 1 is. Carry the 1. 3 times 6 is. Plus 1 is. So 1,962. 5 times 4 is. Put a 0. Carry the 2. 4 times 4 is. Plus 2 is. Carry the 1. 9 times 4 is. Plus 1 is. So 3,780. 5 times 3 is. Put the 5. Carry the 1. 5 times 7 is. Then add 1 is 36. Carry the 3. 5 times 5 is. Plus 3 is. Put the 8. Carry the 2. 5 times 1 is. Plus 2 is. So 7,865. Okay, 6 times 2 is. Put a 2. Carry the 1. 6 times 3 is. Plus 1 is. Put the 9. Carry the 1. 6 times 4 is. Plus 1 is. Put the 5. Carry the 6 times 2 is. Plus 2 is. So my answer is 14,592. 6 times 5 is. So basically, when we have double digits, we cover up the one in the 10 spot and act like it's not there yet, right? Okay. So 6 times 5 is, put the 0, carry the 3. 6 times 3 is, plus 3 is, carry the 2. 6 times 4 is, plus 2 is, mark off my 2s, mark off my 6, and I'm now moving into what place value? The 10, so I have to put a 0 to hold my spot. Okay, 8 times 5 is, put the 0, carry the 4. 8 times 3 is, plus 4 is, put the 8, carry the 2. 8 times 4 is, plus 2 is, and add. So 0, 1, 14, carry the 1, 7, 3. So my answer is, okay. Next one, we pretend like the 10 isn't there yet, so we added the 5, we don't see it yet, right? Okay, 2 times 3 is, 2 times 8 is, put the 6, carry the 1, 2 times 2 is, plus 1 is, mark off my 1 at the top, mark off my 1 spot, and now I'm moving to the 10, so I need to put a 0. 5 times 3 is, put a 5, carry the 1, 5 times 8 is, 40 plus 1 is, put a 1, carry the 4, 5 times 2 is, plus 4 is, and then add, so 6, 11, carry the 1, 7, 4, 1. So 14,716. Okay. Going on to the next one, we pretend like the 10 spot is not there yet. 4 times 7 is, put an 8, carry the 2. 4 times 6 is, plus 2 is, put a 6, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is, plus 2 is, mark off the 2s, mark off the 4 in the 1 spot, and now we're moving to the 10 spot, so we have to put a 0 to hold our spot. 2 times 7 is, put a 4, carry the 1. 2 times 6 is, plus 1 is, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is, plus 1 is, and then we add. So 8, 10, 1, 10, 1, and then 1 plus 3 is 4. So the answer is 4,018.